Castellano del Lago. We decided we're going to take a ferry trip over to one of the islands. We picked a great weather day to do this. The wind is blowing. It is about 62 degrees. It is raining. It is not a beautiful day. I don't know if you can see that over there though. That's some of the islands. There's several on this lake. I don't know the names of all of them yet, but gorgeous. All right, I'll film some more as we get on the boat and as we get on the little island. We'll see if the weather clears up today. This week's all supposed to be in the mid-60s, so I don't know if there's going to be any better days. Rainy and mid-60s all week. All right, welcome to Isola Maggiore, which means the big island. There is no Isola Minore, which means the little island, but there is a little island here, but they don't name it that. Isola
is a smaller island.
Yeah. So this island's about 24 hectares. It has shops and residential houses. There's apparently a population of people that live here. Maybe take the ferry back to the mainland all the time. So we're gonna check it out and see what this place is about. Not a place that we would want to live. We actually want to live around the lake area, but not in the lake on an island. It takes a special kind of person. So, beautiful, beautiful buildings. Those old stone buildings. They're very typical here. Buongiorno. I may have to grab me a magnet.
Yeah, this is it.
All right. So we're gonna go eat at this place, Dasaro Ristorante. Marisa.
I'm gonna go check it out first.
Okay. He's saying it's closed. Clock tower. I tell you guys, there's always one. There's always one. It's part of the charm of Italy. Yeah, it looks closed. Oh, that was wet. That soaked my sock. That's gonna be a fun day. Wet feet. Because it's an outdoor restaurant, it's outdoor seating, it looks like. That's why he says it's closed. Probably is. And they don't have anything out. It looks closed. Definitely closed. All right, we gotta go try to find another restaurant. There we go. All right, we're walking down the other side of town because it seems like every place is closed because the weather's bad, is what we're being told by some of the locals that are here. When the weather gets like this, they just shut down. So we purposely came over here to have a nice lunch, and walk around the island. And the next ferry doesn't leave to head back until 2:15, and it's about 11:45 a.m. right now. So we may be in for a long, cold, wet morning without any food or drink. Yeah, this one looks like it's closed as well. Yeah. Oh no, maybe it's not. Maybe it's open. Let's see. I'm gonna shut off. All right, Loso. They are gonna open at 12:15. There's the menu, if you can read it. So we're gonna be back at 12:15. We'll walk around and try not to get too wet. All right, had a nice lunch at Lioso. Very, very good food. It's a fish restaurant, so lots of fish options. I had chingali, which is wild boar, tagliatelle, and it was exceptional. Had a fish appetizer though, very good. All right, I gotta go quick because we're gonna catch our ferry here in about 20 minutes. We go up here, there's a castle that's up here on the island. Let's see if we can get some video of the castle. And I was told it was this way. It is raining a little bit harder. It feels like it's gotten a little bit colder too. Italy in May. Beware of dog. There's looks like some of the pheasants or whatever that are on this island. That's pretty cool. I think they are pheasants. Dan, the pheasants. See the pheasant? Yeah. There's one here too. I think this is a female. The males are usually colorful. I know, run, little girl. I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise. I love pheasant, but I'm not gonna eat you. I just had a big meal. There you go. Fly away, girl. Oh, she's pretty. You did, pretty girl. There's a church up that way, and I am not climbing that. We may not see the castle today because my calves are killing me.
The castle's up that hill?
Yeah, I'm not climbing that hill.
It looks pretty intense.
Yeah, it was pretty steep. The view of the lake. So we may not get a castle because I'm not climbing the hill. All right, sorry peeps. All right, I gotta get back to the ferry.